Alright, picture this. The sun's out, your playlist is ready, and all that's missing is a waterproof boombox that can take a splash, shake the ground, and keep the vibe going all day, rain or shine. But here's the thing. Not all speakers that claim to be waterproof can actually survive a pool day, and not every boombox can really boom. So today, I've got 6 heavy hitters, real beasts that deliver thundering sound, waterproof confidence, and party-ready durability. These aren't the kind of speakers you hide indoors. These are made for people who live loud beach lovers, campers, backyard DJs, and by the end, you'll know exactly which one fits your world best. Number 6. Anker Soundcore Motion Boom. Let's start with the underdog that proves you don't need to spend a fortune to sound incredible. The Anker Soundcore Motion Boom is like that friend who always surprises you smaller than it looks, tougher than it seems, and somehow always the last one still playing music after everyone else's speaker has died. It's fully waterproof IPX7 rated, and yes, it floats. You can literally toss it in the pool, fish it out, and it'll keep playing like nothing happened. Inside are titanium-coated drivers that reach up to 40 kilohertz, which means the highs sound crisp without being harsh, while the low end hits with that solid, punchy feel you'd expect from something much bigger. Now, the real magic happens when you hit that bass boost button. Without it, the sound feels a bit lean, but once it's on boom, the lows come alive, the radiators start visibly pulsing, and the entire mix gains warmth and presence. It's not muddy, it's musical. Battery? A whopping 24 hours. You could camp for an entire weekend without touching a charger. It even doubles as a power bank, so you can top up your phone while you play. Sure, audiophiles might say it's a little scooped, big lows and highs, lighter mids, but for outdoor music, that's exactly what you want. It cuts through open air beautifully. Bottom line, the Motion Boom is the perfect entry into waterproof boomboxes, loud, floatable, affordable, and practically indestructible. Number 5. Anker Soundcore Boom 2. Now we're stepping it up. The Boom 2 takes everything good about the Motion Boom and basically feeds it a protein shake. It's stronger, flashier, and ready to headline your next backyard party. We're talking 80 watts of total output, with a racetrack subwoofer that gives you that club-grade thump and dual tweeters that sparkle up top. It's still IPX7 waterproof and floatable, so yes, it's beach-approved and pool-proof. The design looks rugged but stylish, with LED rings around the passive radiators that pulse to your music. And if that's not your thing, you can dim or switch them off using the Soundcore app, which, by the way, also lets you craft your own 9-band custom EQ. You can literally carve out your sound ad extra low end for dance nights, or boost clarity for podcasts. And if you're the kind of person who likes to go all in, you can link up to 100 plus Soundcore speakers via PartyCast 2.0. That's right, 100 speakers, all syncing perfectly. Battery life? 24 hours easy. And it can charge your phone too. Now, there's no 3.5mm jack, which might bug a few wired audio fans, but everything else more than makes up for it. Lightweight, loud, and totally beach-proof, the Boom 2 is like your all-terrain party machine. Number 4. Tribit Stormbox Blast. If the Soundcore Boom 2 is your fun beach buddy, the Tribit Stormbox Blast is the one who crashes through the door shouting, "Let's go!" This thing is built like a tank, 12 pounds of heavy, waterproof power with 90 watts of output and body-shaking X-Bass tech that earns its name. The first time you hear it, you'll understand why it's called Blast. It's not subtle, it's big, it's bold, and it fills entire backyards without breaking a sweat. It's got 2 4.2-inch woofers, 2 1.2-inch tweeters, and dual passive radiators pushing air from the sides. You can see the sound moving. And those 32 LED lights on the front? They dance with the beat, turning your playlist into a full-blown light show. The IPX7 rating means you can take it near the pool or even rinse it off with a hose. Battery life? 30 hours. That's practically an entire weekend festival in one charge. Now, it's heavy, and there's no speakerphone. But let's be real, this isn't for business calls. It's for BBQs, house parties, and moments when you want to feel the bass in your bones. Some folks compare it to the JBL Boombox 3, and while the JBL might sound slightly cleaner, the Stormbox Blast hits hard for half the price. It's the best proof that Tribit knows how to make big sound affordable. Number 3. Anker Soundcore Boom 2 Plus. Alright, time to turn things way up. The Soundcore Boom 2 Plus is what happens when Anker says, "You know what? Let's go crazy." This one pushes a staggering 140 watts of max output that's like strapping a live concert to your shoulder. Dual 50-watt woofers, dual 20-watt tweeters, and the new Bass Up 2.0 engine crank the low end 160% higher than the original. And yet, it's all controlled deep, defined, and tight. The build is pure adventure. Thick plastic shell, aluminum grille, IPX7 waterproofing, and yes, it floats. Drop it off a dock, and it'll bounce right back up playing I'm Still Standing. And the lights? Oh, they upgraded those too. Dual LED rings glow from the sides, flashing with the rhythm you can customize colors and brightness inside the app. Battery life is solid at 20 hours, but here's the twist: it charges at 30 watts and can juice your phone at 10 watts. Basically, it's also your power bank. The Soundcore app lets you build your own 10-band EQ profile, bass, treble, mids, all adjustable. You can even pair 100+ units with PartyCast 2.0 for a wall of synchronized sound. Is it heavy? Yeah. Is it worth it? Absolutely. This is the one you bring when the crowd expects real sound, not a toy speaker pretending to be loud. Number 2. W-King X20. Okay, if you're still here, get ready, because the W-King X20 doesn't play nice. This thing is a monster, the kind of speaker that makes people turn around and say, "Where is that sound coming from?" The 330-watt peak output feels unreal, and it's driven by 5 drivers, one massive 7.5-inch subwoofer, 2 3.5-inch midwoofers, and 2 1.1-inch tweeters, all running through a 3-way acoustic system. Translation: bass that punches you in the chest, mids that sound live, and highs that shimmer without distortion. The bass dives all the way down to 40 Hz, and you can feel it. It's like standing near a movie theater subwoofer, except it's coming from something you can actually carry. Sort of. Now, let's talk toughness. The IPX7 waterproof rating means you can dunk it, rinse it, or blast it with rain, it doesn't care. It's also dust-proof and washable, so beach sand or camping mud. No problem. The app experience here is next level. 7 EQ presets, full custom tuning from 30 Hz to 16 kHz, and stereo pairing that doubles your output to a ridiculous 660 watts. It even has instrument input plug in a guitar or keyboard, and it turns into a portable amp with 0 latency. Battery life? Around 20 hours depending on volume, and it charges in just 3 hours with fast USB-C. Plus, it can power your phone or camera through its built-in power bank mode. Yes, it's heavy, roughly 30 pounds, but every ounce of that weight is pure acoustic muscle. People compare it to the JBL Boombox 3, and more than one reviewer flat-out said it's louder. If you want sheer power and stage-quality bass outdoors, this is your portable thunderstorm. Number 1. JBL Boombox 3. And finally, the king still holds the crown. The JBL Boombox 3 is where premium build meets brute strength. You see at once that metal handle with the orange silicone grip, and you know it means business. This monster packs a 3-way speaker system with a subwoofer, 2 mid-range drivers, and 2 tweeters producing up to 180 watts on AC and 136 watts on battery. It's got the signature JBL Pro Sound deep, room-shaking bass that's surprisingly clear, even at full blast. And yes, it's fully IP67 waterproof and dustproof, so the beach, the park, even the rain, bring it on. The battery gives you 24 hours of playtime, and you can charge your phone through the USB port on the back. This thing doesn't just play loud, it feels alive. You can actually see the side radiators moving with every beat, and when you pair it with another through JBL Party Boost, the soundstage goes from big to festival. The downside? It's heavy, nearly 7 kilograms, and expensive, sitting close to $500. But it's also built like an armored tank, designed to last years, not seasons. Users call it the base cannon, and that's honestly fair. The lows are thick and powerful, but still controlled, no rattle, no harsh edges. And even when it's roaring, vocals stay clear, guitars stay crisp, and percussion keeps its punch. So yeah, you pay more, but what you get is iconic: style, volume, and that unmistakable JBL signature that's powered parties worldwide. So what's the verdict? If you want something ultra-portable and waterproof, the Soundcore Motion Boom nails it. If you want fun lights and punchy bass, grab the Boom 2 or the Tribit Stormbox Blast. If you're after big power and customization, the Boom 2 Plus and W-King X20 are insane value. And if you just want the best of the best, the JBL Boombox 3 still rules the party. Whichever you choose, all 6 of these can handle rain, pool splashes, or full-on chaos and still sound amazing. So, where are you taking yours first? The beach, the lake, or that rooftop hangout? Drop it in the comments, and if this helped you find your next waterproof boombox, hit that like button, share it with your crew, and subscribe for more real-world audio breakdowns like this one.